If I had to start over, no savings, no investments, no financial cushion, what would I actually do? That's what we're breaking down today. The exact money plan I'd follow to rebuild my finances completely from scratch. Whether you're starting over after a setback or just beginning your financial journey, this step-by-step plan will help you move from survival mode to stability to success. So grab a notebook, because this is a realistic, actionable plan for anyone rebuilding from zero. Let's start with the truth. When you're broke, the goal isn't to get rich overnight. The goal is to get stable. If I had $0 today, my first mission would be to get money flowing in. That means taking any job that pays the bills. Part-time, retail, freelancing, delivery, anything legal and consistent. Because when you're broke, cash flow beats perfection. You can't budget what you don't earn. Once income starts coming in, the next step is simple. Save $1,000 as fast as possible. Not $10,000, not 6 months of expenses, just $1,000. This is your sleep better at night fund. The money that keeps one flat tire, medical bill, or phone repair from sending you backward. Sell unused stuff. Skip luxuries for now. Take an extra shift. Do whatever it takes to hit that first 1,000. Once I've got that safety net, it's time to budget like a boss. Not to punish myself, but to give every dollar a purpose. Rule number 1, needs before wants. Rule number 2, every dollar gets a job. Rule number 3, if you don't track it, you can't control it. Use free tools like Notion, Mint, or even a simple notebook. It's not about fancy apps, it's about clarity. Because clarity builds confidence, and confidence builds control. If I had any debt, I'd list it all out, smallest to largest, and start paying them off one by one. That's the debt snowball method, and it works because it builds momentum. Every time you pay off one debt, you gain motivation, and that momentum keeps you moving forward. Remember, you can't build wealth while paying high-interest debt. Once debt's under control, it's time to grow the gap, the difference between what you earn and what you spend. 2 key questions. 1. How can I make more money this month? 2. How can I keep more of what I make? Negotiate your pay. Start a side hustle. Cut hidden expenses. Every extra dollar saved or earned moves you closer to freedom. Once I've got savings and no high-interest debt, I'd start investing. Even if it's just $20 or $50 a month. Because time in the market matters more than timing the market. Start with simple index funds or low-cost ETFs. Automate your investments. Sit back and let compound interest do its magic. Financial freedom isn't about working harder, it's about building systems that work even when you're not watching. Automatic bill payments, automatic savings, automatic investing. That's how you shift from surviving to thriving. If you're starting over from $0, remember, you don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to start where you are, use what you have, and take the next right step. Now I want to hear from you. What's the first step you're taking this month to rebuild your finances? Drop it in the comments. I'll be cheering you on. And if this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's also ready to hit reset. Because the journey to financial freedom always starts with one brave step.